watch as he wins his aircraft and goes through for a split S, turning her around in no time, demonstrating the effectiveness of this aircraft in combat. As she re-emerges in front of you from the right, Dolly will be carrying out a hesitation roll to demonstrate the agility of the control of the aircraft. And here she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wait for it. A bogey has been reported at 6 o'clock and Dolly has been asked to engage. There she pulls up for a vertical pitchback and re-emerging like the term radiance, which means Tejas in Hindi. He will now turn hard left with maximum rate to get the angles right for a quick burst of the 23 mm gun. And here she goes. And the threat ceases to exist. Positions for what we call the red eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the envelope. The aircraft is subject to a negative 3.5 G. Watch on your left, coming up to the center. There she goes, banking right, turning left. Next up is an embassy to a wonderful people of the United States who have made this land so prosperous.